Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can cancel your GearUp Booster subscription. In order to do so, here we are at gearupbooster.com. In order to find the answer we're looking for, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models available and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, to cancel your GearUp Booster subscription, follow these general steps. First, you're going to want to log into your account by visiting the GearUp website and log in with your credentials. Go to your account settings and navigate to the subscription management page. This is often found in the profile menu. Look for a section labeled subscriptions, billing, or manage subscriptions. Click on your GearUp Booster subscription to view more details. There should be an option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. After cancellation, you should receive a confirmation email. Keep it for your records. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree, and there you'll find our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.